Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, has officially bring Starlink internet service, which is cheaper than Safaricom internet service. If Safaricom monthly internet bundles cost is 25 GB at 2500 Kenyan shillings, then Starlink internet service 25 GB would cost 1200 Kenyan shillings. Let's find why Safaricom would fight Starlink. Assume Safaricom lost 15 million customers to Starlink. Assume Safaricom had 20 million customers. Let's calculate net loss of Safaricom. Let's calculate the net loss of Safaricom. Please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Now Safaricom, before Starlink came, we stand for SAF, they have 20 million customer. Now, after Safaricom, SAF lost its customer due to high cost of internet service, they remain with 5 million customer. Because 20 minus 15, which is equals into 5. Now, Starlink, they gain 15 million customer due to cheaper internet service. Now let's calculate how much Safaricom were making before Starlink came to Kenya. Let's calculate. It is believed that Safaricom monthly charges were 2500. No, 2500 times 50, which is equals to 50 billion Kenyan shillings. Let's calculate after Safaricom lost their customer. Now they charge 2500 Kenyan shillings. Now 5 times 2500, which is equals to 12.5 billion Kenyan shillings. Now let's calculate how much Starlink would start making monthly income in Kenya. Now Starlink charges 1200 Kenyan shillings monthly. They charges 1200 Kenyan monthly charges. Now 15 times 1200, which is equals to 18 billion Kenyan shillings. Now if you take 15 billion minus 12.5 billion after Safaricom lost their customer due to cheaper internet service to the Starlink internet. Now 50 minus 12.5, 49 equals to 10, 5, 30, 37. Now let's take 18 billion. Let's calculate 18 billion minus 12.5, which is equals to 17, equals to 10, 5, 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. Now we find 5.5 billion. Now if you add 5.5 to get the net loss, 0, 1, which is equals to 13, carry 1, equals to 43 billion Kenyan shillings. 43 billion Kenyan shillings. Now it is believed after Starlink came to Kenya, Safaricom who lost 43 billion Kenyan shillings monthly due to internet service costs. Elon Musk, SpaceX, Starlink internet service is cheaper than Safaricom. That's why there would start a fight between Safaricom and Starlink internet service, because Safaricom would lost so many customers and so many billions of shillings in Kenya.